Hey guys, today we're going to be doing something a little different with the test. Not really different, these are going to be the same, but here I cannot get KJY68 for some reason, so I brought out this W100 and luckily this can get WXJ46 in Dayton, so hopefully the signal stays. Turn this up just like this one. So yeah, that's what I'll tune it for today. Okay, it's the 46. See here, we're waiting. Alright. Good.
Saturday, Monday, mostly sunny in the morning, storm becoming partly cloudy, and the lowest times in the lower 80s, 70%.
Alright, we're back on the station test. That's fine.
The weekly test of weather radio station WXJ 46 Miamisburg, Ohio. Now let's on the latest and heavy rainfall in the evening. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy wave drop will dive down. Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. 50%. Sun showers likely with the Southwest wind 5 to 10 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy with a chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds and heavy rainfall. Locally heavy rainfall possible in the evening. Lows in the lower 70s. Some chance of showers and thunderstorms in the morning. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, partly cloudy. Chance of showers and thunderstorms. Southwest winds 5 miles per hour.
Oh, it's KDO. Okay, never mind.
70%. Indications. This variability is more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. You are using a good quality receiver. Index value. Humidity 70. Automatically activated by the signal to warn the
everything's bleeding into one another.
Humidity 7 m. The line, Allen County Airport. It was 82 the barometer. 74 degrees. Producing a heat index of upper 80s. At Bolton Field.
Oh, 7 stations, what? Alright, that's all ILN and RLX was. Just for better signal.
84 in Bentley. 83 at Columbus. It was partly sunny with a temperature of 84 at Marion and 17 at Youngstown.
Alright, gotta wait until whenever with that CLE test. Your test today, because the marginal
weather radio warning alarm for RWT 57 for the Central Highlands of Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m., weather reports for select.
Alright.
Breeze, the 2.70. Erie. This afternoon.
Again, everyone, it's almost August. I'm gonna go ahead and actually flip the calendar here while we're at it. While I'm making this video, I'm gonna flip the calendar over to August. I might be back a little later if there's some severe weather, because we do have a slight risk across some counties. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and change this to August now. But we're running out of time. Come on, focus. Okay. Yeah, running out of time. We already have this Wednesday, this Wednesday, this Wednesday. 2 tests left, and then I start school here. Done the school here. School, no school, no school, 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 school. School, no school. There you go. Alright. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and put this up. I'm gonna go ahead and mark some things while I'm at it. After I make this video. So, don't fall. You always do this every time I put you up. Stop. Are you done? Don't you dare even think about falling. Okay, good. Alright, we got August up. Yeah, 2 tests left. Pretty sad. I'll make a video regarding this school stuff at some point, probably next week, maybe sometime around here, 7th, 8th, 9th. I'll talk about it a little more, because running out of time here. Washington DC trip is coming soon, but yeah. Alright, that's it for now. I'll come back if there's any severe weather.